Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I am going to cover the next topic, that is function constructors in JavaScript or function constructor in JavaScript. So let's get started. This is another type of function we have in JavaScript, guys. Function constructor is another type of function we have in JavaScript. And do people use this often? No, guys, it's rarely used, and it's not recommended to use also. There are a lot of other categories or other types of functions available. When compared to that, this is least used, and it's mostly not used. Fine, but still, as part of knowledge, let's understand what exactly is a function constructor. Here in this function constructor, function is an inbuilt object, okay, predefined object in JavaScript. Function is a predefined object in JavaScript, and I'm going to create a function using the function constructor by using the new keyword. Okay, new function. Here I need to give the circular brackets. And you just put a comma here. Before this comma, you can give any number of arguments. Okay, if you have any arguments, you can give. If you don't have any arguments, you don't have to give anything. Okay, so here we need to give some parameters, or yes, parameters, guys. Okay, we need to give the parameters here. Then the final parameter should be the code of the function. Okay, the code in the function should be the final parameter. That should be surrounded by single quotes. Okay, the final, after at the end, last parameter of this particular, here before this comma you can have any number of parameters, but the last parameter should be the code of this particular function. That should be surrounded by single quotes. And here I'll write the code, guys. Console, or we can write any code. Console.log a plus b I can write, or I can write return statement. Anything is fine. Okay, here I can, in the single quotes, I have to write this statement, or I can simply say return a plus b is also fine. Anything is fine. Okay, anything is fine, guys. So here I'll simply write down console.log of a plus b. What are this a plus b? This a plus b, I'm going to create them as parameters. You see, whatever the parameters that need to be used by this code will be provided here in single quotes. Okay, A is surrounded by provided by single quotes. B parameter surrounded by single quotes. Okay, like this we need to create this function, guys. New function a b, like that. And okay, this is how we need to create a function constructor in JavaScript. Okay, this is how we need to create a function constructor in JavaScript. And how to call this function constructor, I'm going to show you. So I have some notes with me. So using the notes, we are going to use this function constructor in JavaScript. Hope you got the knowledge or basics of okay, how to create a function constructor. Let me recap again. In JavaScript, the function constructor is a way to dynamically create new functions using the built-in function object. Here in this code, here in this code, this function is a predefined or inbuilt object of the JavaScript. Okay, function object. For the function object, I am saying new function. Okay, I'm using the new keyword. I'm calling the function of this function object. Fine. The next thing here is, like this we have created, right? Like this we have created. Now what else we can do here is, what else we have to do here is, this we can assign to one variable name, like const, let's say fun a, or okay, function a, or whatever it is. If I have to call this function, how to call this function? Fun a, circular brackets, and here to pass the arguments. If I pass 5 comma 4, what will be printed? 5 will go into this a, 4 will go into this b. Console.log of a plus b, that is 5 plus 4, will print in 9. 9 will be printed in the output console. Let's try this in the Visual Studio Code, guys. Let me, okay, here write down function hyphen function constructor.js, function constructor. Okay, here let me create that function constructor. For that new keyword, function is a inbuilt object in JavaScript, and circular brackets. The last parameter should be the code surrounded by single quotes. The code of the function should be written in this last parameter of this function. I'll be writing like this. I just not able, right? Console.log of okay, a plus b, I'll write like this. And here I need to give the parameter surrounded by single quotes. A is one parameter, comma, b is an, you can give any number of parameters here. It's not just two, it can give any number of parameters. And in order to call this function, this particular function doesn't have any name, so we have to store that into const fun a, like this. give some name, variable name. This variable name will become the function name now, and call this function like this, and pass 5 comma 4, let's say. While calling this function pass 5 comma 4, what will be printed? 5 will go into A, 4 will go into B, and console.log 5 plus 4, this 9 will be printed. Okay, run this code. Node, node, name of the JavaScript file, that is a function hyphen constructor.js. If I run this, you see 9 got printed. So this is very, it will not be used much in the real time, guys. Okay, just for knowledge purpose, if someone asks you what are the different type of functions we have in JavaScript, you can give this as an example. But generally don't use function constructor in JavaScript. Okay, so other type of functions we may use, but this one is not used much in the JavaScript programming by the people. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.